Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock. Guys, so where I want to start off actually today is off of my over the weekend video that I talked about, that this week on Tesla will be tricky, right? And for the reasons I was talking about, yes, even though this green candle has come the previous trading day, we got above 20 days moving average, we are above 50 days moving average, and yes, Tesla also is between this 178 to $180, but it hasn't taken out this lower pivot, this red candle pivot, right? So that's what I wanted this thing to first do to give us that confirmation. And long behold, well, we dipped lower today. And for the reasons that structure was, even though it was in the bullish sentiment, and I'll talk about what I'm seeing after today, we still quite weren't there yet, right? And the sell-off today doesn't really surprises me, but well, also, like, I mean, I'm not worried about these sell-offs. So if I show you on my day trading bot, now my day trading bot works on any interval below 5 minutes as well. So this is on 3 minutes I'm showing, because that's where it works. I mean, for me, Tesla best for me is 3 minutes. And yeah, no worries. Tesla fell today. No worries. We still made the money. Great buying position and great partial profits automatically by my bot. So yeah, if you need access to these tools, links are in the description below of this video. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm not, I'm not in any problem here. It's still making money. So, but the thing is that talking about, what we are seeing here is the price action. Is it still bullish, or what is the thing here, right? So let's dissect all of that in this video, okay? So very first couple of things, I'm seeing that we are still finding support at 175. The importance of this level will become apparent in just a second. But the thing to note is that we are right now below 20 days moving average. All right. And for some reason, I just don't like how brutally in the post market Tesla just slips as well, right? And we are below 20 days moving average right now, okay? We are above 50 days moving average, and this is, I call, the zone of sandwichness between 20 and 50 days moving average. So I am seeing that it's not fully bearish, it's not fully bullish, but it still has that some trickling strength of bullishness into it, okay? It's not that bulls are just not even there. I would say bulls still have like 65% to 70%, not 70% at this point, but 65%, 60 to 65% control over Tesla here. For the reasons also that, as I just showed you 50 days moving average, but let's go to the hourly interval. Things will get much more clear there. But also the reason that, guys, you can see this level of 175, right? This is where this thing has been just getting bought back up. All the breakouts demand zone are coming at the $175, right? Which was the prior resistance as well, also marked by my indicator, significant level. And we got bought back up right over there, right at that level. Now, are we though continuing higher? Well, what I want to see tomorrow to continue, or to turn really bullish, right? Like confirmed bullish, we need to get out of at least this 178, and I would say 180. Like this blue box, we still need to get out of this blue box if we want Tesla to go higher, right? So that's the thing to watch on Tesla. So technically, it is downtrending. You can see trying to get out of this resistance line, but you can see it's struggling. But at the same time, bars are holding strong. So 175 is still holding, okay? And this level of 170, this is a really good support. If we lose anytime both of these, then 167 will come down to the, I don't think that $171 level is going to hold. Yeah, will come down to then 167 if again we lose this 175. What we want to see is Tesla getting above 178 and 180. That will bring back that confidence on continuation to the upside. So it's a very precarious place, right? This is also a area of, like, you can't negate this fact, like $178 range to 180, these previous support, previous resistances, again trying to find previous support, failed, came back up here, failed again. That this zone is still acting as a very pivotal zone. We need to get out of it to get into a new ladder steps of the upside bullishness. Otherwise, yeah, it's getting problematic here now. And if we lose 175 again, 170, I don't think it's going to hold then, and we'll come down to 167 and $163 range, unfortunately. So it's important that we get out of this 178 and above 180 as soon as possible. Now, let me also plug in on the daily interval some short volume data, and let's see how things are over there. Okay, so anything on Tesla I consider above 35% quite high, or 40% that we were seeing up down here as well. That's very high. I'm not seeing 40%. Today's volume, short volume data will come later in the evening, but 35, 36, 36, 35 short volume. So it's not that short sellers right. It's still high percent compared to below 35 or 30. It's still high short volume interest here. But yeah, the price action, we need to get above 178 to $180 before we can do anything about going to the upside. But as if we do that, guys, let's say if, and it's important we do this while holding this 50 days moving average. And if we can do that, then this is a really good bullish structure as well. Like, that shows us that this pullback is complete, and you can see that, right? If we can get back above 180, that will be a strong move on Tesla. But right now, that's where we are struggling. Yeah, I want to actually, yeah, let's take a look at weekly interval as well. Yeah, still under that 20 weeks moving average. Yeah, we don't want to close below 175 this week. If we close below 175 this week, then yeah, look at it. This is already confirming a lower pivot here, right, on weekly interval as well, for the near term at least, right? So we want to close above 175 to keep this bullish pivot as well strong. So this is more like a triangle as well, you can see, right? So we don't want to lose below this triangle. We want to get out of this triangle to continue bullish and up and up and up. That's very important. So yeah, we need to get above $180, guys. That's very important on Tesla if you want to continue higher. All right, so my opinion is that we are still a little bit over the middle line for the bullishness. So bullishness, in my opinion, is 60 to 65%. Structure is holding good, not strong though, but good. But we want, if we want to get little stronger confirmed bullish on our conviction, then we need to get above 180 tomorrow. It's important. Otherwise, that's a problem. Or even if we can close tomorrow 178 somewhere, that's also better. Not below today's closing price. That's very important for us. If we close below today's closing price tomorrow, then that's also a problem in my opinion. All right. Cool. Okie dokie. Well, guys, that's it for this video. I'll talk about QQQ and SPY with other videos, not in this one. And also, if you are interested in following along in the journey of mine, that for the portfolio, dividend-based portfolio that I'm building, check out this channel of mine. You can find the link to this in the description of this video as well. I have made some more buying today. I'll talk about that in the video on this channel. So if you don't want to miss it, subscribe to this new channel as well of mine. All right, guys, with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.